If you want to stay in control of your finances without spending hours at your desk, learning how to use mobile accounting apps is one of the smartest moves you can make. And in just a few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how to use one, start to finish, so you can manage your income, expenses, and everything in between right from your phone. I've tested the most popular accounting apps out there, and based on speed, ease of use, and real-world functionality, I'll be showing you how to stay on top of your numbers with the one I found works best. If you want to follow along, I've got an exclusive free trial for this software in the description, only available to viewers of my channel. So, let's get right into it. First, download the software we'll be using from your App Store. Once it's installed, sign up with your email and verify your account. You'll be taken straight to your dashboard. This is your control center. It's where you'll see income, expenses, cash flow, and any invoices at a glance. Start by connecting your business bank account or credit card. Most apps make this easy. Just tap Connect Bank and log in securely. Once linked, your transactions will sync automatically. This saves you time and keeps everything accurate. Next, let's categorize your expenses. Head to the Transactions tab and scroll through your synced data. Tap each one, choose a category like office supplies or travel, and save. The app learns as you go, so the more you tag, the smarter it gets. Creating an invoice is just as simple. Tap the invoice icon, add your client's info, enter the item or service, and hit send. You can even accept online payments directly through the app. Some versions also let you set up recurring invoices and payment reminders. Super useful for monthly clients. To track income and expenses manually, just in case you get paid in cash or by check, go to the Add Transaction button, choose income or expense, fill in the details, and save. That's it. It's all reflected in your reports instantly. Speaking of reports, check those out regularly. You can view profit and loss, cash flow, and other key insights just by tapping Reports in the menu. This gives you a quick snapshot of your financial health, which is critical if you're trying to stay in control of your business. And if you need to track mileage or time for billing purposes, the software we're using includes built-in trackers. Just start the tracker when you begin driving or working and stop it when you're done. Everything logs automatically. One final thing. Don't forget to back up your data. Most of these mobile accounting apps sync to the cloud, but you can also export your reports or download CSVs from the settings menu for extra peace of mind. The key takeaway here, mobile accounting apps are not just handy. They're essential if you want to stay in control of your finances without getting overwhelmed. Automate what you can, track in real time, and use the app's smart features to stay focused on running your business, not your spreadsheets. Quick recap. Download the app, connect your bank, categorize your expenses, send invoices, check your reports, and track mileage or time when needed. And again, if you want to follow along with the same app I used, grab the exclusive free trial linked in the description. It's only available to viewers of my channel, and it'll save you time from testing a bunch of other apps that don't quite hit the mark. Thanks for watching. Stay in control, and I'll catch you in the next one.